Alright, check it out, dude. We got all your clutch parts over there on your Mini S. We got all this loose. I'm getting ready to pop them old good axles out of there. But we got that old subframe out. We're gonna clean her up, paint her up, make sure she's all nice and smooth. Got your exhaust back. She's laying back there. But we got everything off up here. So all I got left to do is the transmission bolts. And we're getting ready to pull her out. And it's 11 o'clock on a Saturday. Someone's here. There. I got this one loose. I just got to pull that axle out. Here's what she looks like under her. Minus all the grass. And, dude, you had some squirrel nuts and shit in here. I don't know what the fuck was going on with that. But look at her. That's what I gotta fix. You can see with that, remember I was telling you it was shaking because of that motor mount that's right here. That one right there is broketed, and see where the axle was coming back and it was hitting your sway bar stabilizer. But we're getting ready to pull that out. We'll change that seal there. I gotta pull the starter out.